Production method of wheat flour. The basic flour making process of wheat includes cleaning, watering, moistening, grinding. Grinding and screening, powder mixing, packaging, and other processes. Wheat milling is to separate wheat skin from endosperm by mechanical forces shearing, extrusion. Grind the endosperm into powder, and then sift to obtain flour of different qualities. At present, the general method of wheat flour production is to break the wheat grain, grind gradually, scrape off the endosperm part of the bran sheet, and grind the endosperm into a certain fineness of flour. The general principle is to separate the endosperm from wheat skin and wheat embryos. The milling process is developed around the above theme. The standard to measure the flour making process is to see the content of bran mixed in the flour produced. That is, the content of ash in the flour, if the precision flour with low ash content is to be produced. The number of grinding passes should be set so that the force exerted by each grinding pass is correspondingly small.